name's Rob Price. I work for Kier on Area 9 and I'm an asset operations manager. In terms of productivity, it's vastly increased since having the pothole master. We would usually, if we got, say, 10 patches to break out by hand, that would generally be about 3 nights' work. With the pothole master, we've reduced that down to 1 night now, and we've also increased the amount of tonnage that we can lay per shift as well. It used to be anything between half a tonne up to 1.5, maybe 2 tonnes. Since we've been using the pothole master, we've had nights where we've been laying up to 8 tonnes.
Andy Richards, work for Kier Area 9 and the tarmacking crew. I operate the JCB, the 36 compact, and rake tarmac patches and general tarmacking. Oh, it's a lot easier, more viable, less stress on the body. It's a lot quicker, a lot easier, better all round. Machine does it all. Brakes it, sweeps it, job done.
In terms of health and safety, we virtually reduced our halves down to 0. We've reduced noise levels vastly, and we've also reduced our manual handling. We're not using small pieces of plant that have got high vibration factors. Previously, before the pothole master came onto Area 9, we would have used handheld breakers to break out the patches, which obviously has high impacts with halves and noise levels.
The safety aspect of it, no wearing on the body, does a job of 5. 360 visibility on the JCB. Wherever you look, it's glass. There's no blind spots. Wherever you look, you've got good vision. Comfortable and very easy to operate and well maintained.
The effects the pothole master has had on the customer so far is when we've been using handheld breakers to break out our patches, we could be working in an area for up to 3, maybe 4 nights in some cases. That's reduced now down to 1 night, which greatly improves the customer's experience of our network, and it also reduces the amount of congestion that we have when we're installing roadworks.
We had a 2-day familiarisation on the JCB at Uttoxeter, courtesy of JCB and Kier. It makes it a lot easier, so you're coming in, you know what to expect, you know what to do when you jump on the JCB, all this training. It just, it makes it easy going, instead of going in blind, as we're trained now, and the more we go, the more we get skilled, and the more it becomes part of the body.